This exercise is about checking whether the given value is array or not. Now when I mention this, that you have to check the data type or the type of value, the first thing may come in your mind is the type of operator. Let's first of all create an array. I'll say ARR. Let's also put few elements in it. If I console the type of ARR, let's see what happens. It says object. So here you do not get the idea whether it is an array or not, because array is considered as an object in JavaScript anyway. Then there is the toString method. If toString method is used with the call method, then you can get whether it is a number, string, array, or different type of values. Let's check it once. I will say object dot prototype dot toString dot call, and inside the call I'm going to pass the array. Let's run the code and see what is the output. Now as you see that it doesn't only display it is an object, but it also displays that it is an array. How come this has happened? It is the toString method. If it is used with the call, now if you want to know more about call, apply and bind, I have already discussed that in one of the section. So you can just check what call, apply and bind are. So when you are using the toString method with call, ideally whenever you pass one array, that is the reference given to this call method. So the object.prototype.toString with a call method can differentiate the data type in a more better way. In fact, because it is a global object, you can avoid writing this object.prototype. You can keep only the toString.call, then you pass the array. Let me run this. You see that the output is similar. Now in this question, we have to check whether it is an array or not. So the only thing remaining is that you have to put an if condition. So I'm going to say if this is object array, then I might say true, or I can write this in a function and I can return it, but you get the gist of what I'm saying. So, and here I'll say false. Now I can create a function also, but we'll live with this for the moment. So let's run this code now. As you can see, it says now that it is true. Let's change the value of array, the variable that is. I'll say test only and run it. So it says false. So toString.call is very useful when you have to deal with more detailed type of values.